Hi, my name is Rebecca LaGreco, and I'm from Welding Technology.
Hello, my name is David Shirley. I'm in the James Rumsey Welding Technical Institute.
I took this class because I was always artistic and I wanted to apply myself to my future job, and I could never imagine working a 9 to 5 at an office.
It sparked my interest the most. We use a lot of different things from oxyacetylene torches to plasma torches to welding.
We learned how to weld and use common power tools like grinders and oxyacetylene torches. Um, Eventually, we'll learn how to operate a forklift, and we get to do OSHA 30 certifications. So we've had to work on a rocket ship for masonry. Unfortunately, they didn't get to use it for their skills competition, but we did make them a rocket ship out of aluminum, which was pretty cool to work on.
How to establish a weld correctly and how to weld correctly. My plans after I graduate would be to open up a metal specialty fab shop.
My plans after high school are to go straight into a career force. College was never really in the plan for me. A simulated workplace is like the training grounds for your real life job after high school. Um, it allows you to mimic the real life workplace without the stress of having an actual job.
Simulated workplaces is whenever something breaks, we don't have to go right to the teacher. We typically know what to do. Because if one of the welders breaks down or somebody doesn't know something different that somebody else does, we can go ask somebody else.
Like before, we're all coworkers and we can all like have fun and still get our jobs done and help each other out with anything we need. We've learned how to work as a team and coworkers. Everyone helps each other out, and it's been pretty cool to see how everyone interacts with each other. And we've also learned blueprint reading and weld symbols.